If I was going to invest my first $100 again, here's what I would do. Come closer. Class is in session. Contrary to what all those finance bros out there tell you, you do not need thousands of dollars to get started in investing. You can actually start with just $5. But today, we're going to use the example of $100. First thing you're going to do, you're going to take that $100 and you're going to go open a free brokerage account at one of these three brokerages: Charles Schwab, Vanguard, or Fidelity. A brokerage is simply the place where you are going to invest your money. My favorite out of the three is Fidelity. This video is not sponsored by them. I like Fidelity because they are very beginner friendly. They allow you to purchase what are called fractional shares. So that is anything less than one whole share, because let's be honest, some of these companies are really expensive and we don't have a lot of money. And they also have the ability to trade in dollars and not just shares. Step number 2, once you have your account opened up, you have to actually transfer money from your bank into your account to be able to have money to invest. So you're going to set up a transfer from your bank. It's super easy. You can always go to your brokerage's help center to find out the exact steps. Step number 3, you're going to take that money that you transferred and you're actually going to invest it. This is the fun part. What we're not going to do is we're not going to invest in single stocks or single companies. Why? Because that's just too risky and we don't want to put all our eggs in one basket. What we do want to do is we want to buy the entire basket, which is called an ETF, or an exchange-traded fund. This is just a basket of stocks. It gives you instant diversification. You can buy baskets that are all US companies. You can buy baskets that are all international companies. You can buy baskets that are all AI stocks. Basically, whatever you can think of, there's a basket of stocks out there that you can buy. Step number 4, we're going to take that $100. We're going to buy our baskets of stocks, and we're going to buy 3 different baskets. We're going to buy one basket that includes the US stock market, or the S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in the US. Examples of baskets that we can buy for this. This is VOO, VTI, SPY, SPMO, etc. The second basket we're going to buy is we're going to buy an international fund. The most popular one out there for this is VXUS. That is going to give you the entire international market with just one click. The third ETF we're going to buy, you get a choice. You can either pick a technology and growth ETF, something such as QQQM, or you can pick what I call a value ETF. So these are companies that are outside of more risky sectors, such as technology and AI, and you can invest in something like STHD or BND, which is a bond basket of stocks, which is super conservative. But this is going to allow you to decrease your risk while also staying invested in the market to get those higher returns than you could have with your money just sitting in cash or in a high-yield savings account. So did you get that? You're going to put $33 in each of these 3 ETFs. Then, if you have money left over at the end of the month, you can actually add to these. You could just keep buying more of them. You can set up what's called automatic recurring investments all within your brokerage account so that you never have to think about investing again. It just automatically does it for you. Doesn't matter if you're starting with $5, $500, or $5,000. The best thing you can do is just to start. That's how you build real wealth. If you found today's class helpful and you want more personal investing and finance content, be sure to follow along and comment the word newsletter below.